Hello, good morning students. Today we'll study pest of wheat. Important pest of wheat is Sesamia inferens. It is a moth belonging to order Lepidoptera. It is a stem borer. Sesamia inferens, that is wheat stem borer. The classification, it includes phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Noctuidae, genus Sesamia, species Inferens. Habits: larva smooth and shiny and lack obvious hairs or markings. Mature larvae are between 30 to 40 mm long, pink with buff and pink dorsal markings and a brown head. Distribution: it is a serious pest of wheat and rabi all over the India, but is more prevalent in South India. The early stages of this pest is highly damaging to the crops. Maize, bajra, barley and sorghum are also sometimes attacked by this pest. Nature of damage: the caterpillar mainly bore into rice stems or the base of the panicle. After infection, the stem becomes wilted, causing dead heart. Panicle attack lead the panicle to be cut, leading to a state called white head. Symptoms are mostly similar in other stem borers and hence close look required to control the attack. Control: mechanical controlling using hard picking and pheromone traps are used. Culture practices like crop rotation mechanism, reducing water level is also used. Natural enemies such as parasitoids are very effective. Parasitoids, they are those insects which complete their life cycle in the life cycle of parasite. That is, they feed on the parasite, different life cycle stages of the parasite, and are responsible for killing it. So parasitoids, they are very effective, and nature loving controlling measures. The trachinid fly Sturmeopsis inferens was also once used but is now not much effective due to its low abundance. It is very less in number. Chemical control includes BHC, DDT, Fenthion, Phenytothion, Quinfos, Phosphomidone sprays and granules of lindane are used. The life cycle of Sesamia inferens, it includes different stages: egg, larva. Larva is known as caterpillar, pupa and adult. Life cycle is completed in about 40 to 70 days depending upon the climatic condition. There are 4 to 6 generations in 1 year. The eggs, they are laid in cluster in several rows within the cover of the leaf sheath. The eggs are rounded, pale and yellowish green in color. The larvae, after hatching, bore into the stem and feed upon the tissues of the stem. The fully grown caterpillar is cylindrical with its head red-brown in color and measures 20 to 25 mm in length. It pupates inside the stem itself. The eggs stage lasts for about 7 to 10 days, larva for 20 to 30 days and pupal stage for 8 to 10 days. Here are the pics which shows the life cycle of Sesamia inferens. The adult with 2 pairs of wings, body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen with pointed antenna it is present. The adult, it lays its eggs under the sheath of leaf sheath. Huge number of eggs they are laid. The eggs, they will develop into the larva. Larva bore into the stem and ultimately feeds on the central portion of the stem, making it weak and the crop can fall. The larva will develop into the pupa. Pupa, again, it lives inside the stem and is the stage which develops into the adult. Our special thanks to www.google.com for providing beautiful pics so that we can explain the topic well. Thank you.